Wait. Amy, itapat mo, naka-live tong isa. Ito, hawak mo tong isang phone ni Daddy, naka-live. Naka-live. Ipakita mo yung mga tree, super tree sa taas. Yan. Yan. Wow.
Daddy, you're not picturing me.
Yeah, I'm gonna take you a picture later, okay? Let's finish that one first, and then I'll take you a picture. Okay? Wow. Look at this rock.
Waystar.
It's so pretty.
Today we're in Singapore.
Yeah, pakita mo na. Look at that. Wow, wow. Look at the Marina Bay. We're going up later.
Are we going up there?
Yeah. Ay, naka-live yan.